Hello all, welcome to AWS tutorials. My name is Kastro Kiran. In the previous video, we have understood the concept of storage classes. So we have seen what are the different types of storage classes that are available in the AWS S3 service, and we have also understood what is the importance of each storage class as well. Now, in this particular session, we are going to focus on two major elements with respect to the storage classes. The first activity that we are going to do in this particular video is we are going to see how to upload a file to a specific storage class that is available in S3 service. And apart from this, I'll also be showing you how to change the storage class of an already existing file in an S3 bucket. Now, to do these two tasks, we need to go to AWS console, and in the AWS console, I'll be first creating a bucket, and inside that bucket, I will upload a file to a specific storage class, and after that, I'll be showing you how to change the storage class of an existing file. So let us quickly move to the AWS console and perform these activities. So here I am in the AWS console, and you can see I have already created one bucket with a name 20 Jan 2024 bucket. So this is my bucket. Now in this bucket, I am going to upload a file. So click on upload option here. And once you click on upload, I'm going to add some files. So click on add files, and in the files, you select any one file that is convenient for you. So I'm going to select this particular file, click on it, and here what I'll be doing is I'll be uploading a file. Now, before uploading the file, okay, before clicking on uploading the file, if you want to know what are the different storage classes that are available, you can see there is an option called properties here. So click on properties here, and you will be able to see the different storage classes that we have discussed in the previous video. So you can see S3 Express One Zone, Standard, Intelligent Tiering, Standard IA, One Zone IA, Glacier Instant Retrieval, Glacier Flexible Retrieval, Glacier Deep Archival, and Reduced Redundancy. And you can also see a brief note on each storage class as well, and what type of buckets it will support, whether it supports the general purpose buckets or the directory buckets. And it also talks about in how many availability zones the copies of your files will get saved. Apart from that, we can also see what is the minimum storage duration in each storage classes, and what is the minimum billable object size that you can see here, and monitoring and auto tiering fees, and you can see the fees as well here, and the retrieval fees as well. So like this, these are the details that we have discussed in the last session, and you can also find the simplest or the shortest form of all the details that we have discussed in the previous video. Now here, whenever we are uploading a file, by default, all the files will get stored in the standard storage class. This is the default activity. Even if you don't select the standard storage class, by default, the objects that you are going to upload into an S3 bucket will be stored in the standard storage class itself. Now, suppose, let's say I want to store the file. Okay, I want to store the object into a different storage class. So let's take an example of intelligent tiling. Now, I want to store the class or store the object into the storage class of intelligent tiling. I don't want to store it in the standard storage class. I want to store it in the intelligent tiling. So I'm just selecting that particular storage class, whichever is required for us. So, and here you can see the data with changing or unknown access patterns. This is designed for that. The intelligent tiering is designed for data with changing or unknown access pattern. And what type of buckets intelligent tiering will support? The general purpose bucket. In how many availability zones the intelligent tiering will support the file uploading or the object uploading greater than or equals to 3. So it depends on which availability zone and which region you are going to select. So since I am going to upload all the objects in the Mumbai region, the files or the number of copies that gets stored in the Mumbai region is 3. Why? Because in the Mumbai region, we have 3 availability zones. Suppose if you take North Virginia region, in North Virginia region, we have 6 availability zones. So in that case, more than in all the 6 availability zones, the copies of your object will get stored and it serves as a backend support, right? So once I select the intelligent tiring or whichever the storage class that you want to select, you can store that storage class. And in this case, I am selecting the intelligent tiring and then click on upload. Okay, and then click on upload. Once you click on upload, the object that we have uploaded will get stored to the storage class of intelligent tile. Let us verify that. So let's click on close here. And here, if you observe, this is the object that I have uploaded, and you can see the date and time on which I have uploaded, and you can see the file size, and here you can see the storage class. So what is the storage class that it got uploaded? Intelligent tile. Why it got uploaded to intelligent tiring? Because we have selected or we wanted to upload this particular object into this particular storage class. So this is about how to upload an object into the S3 bucket in the required storage class. Let me also show you one more thing of by default which storage class will come when you upload an object. So let me click on upload and click on add files, and here I'll be selecting one sample file. Let me select this particular file, click on open here. And once you click on open, I'm not going to select any storage classes here. Let's see what is the default storage class. But as per our understanding, we know that by default, any object that you upload into the S3 bucket will get stored into the standard storage class. Let's verify that. So click on upload. Remember, I have not selected any storage classes here. So let me click on close here and then go to the bucket, and inside the objects, you can see the object is the one that I have uploaded is this, and you can see the storage class as standard storage class. So if you are not selecting the storage classes, by default, any object that you upload into the S3 bucket will get stored in the standard storage class. Right? Now, our intention is to change the storage class. Let's say for this particular object, okay, for this particular object, I don't want the object to be there in the standard storage class. I want to change the storage class of an existing object. So this is the object that is already available. And now I want to change the default storage class. Okay, I want to change the default storage class. So how to change that? Now, in order to change the storage class of an existing file, okay, first click on the object that you want to change the storage class. And in the object, or once you move to the object, if you scroll down, you can see an option called storage class. Okay, you can see an option called storage class. Now, in the storage class, what is the storage class that the object is uploaded to? Standard storage class. Now, I want to change the storage class. So you can see an option here, click on edit. So click on edit option, and now you will be able to select the storage classes of your required ones. Suppose let's say I want to store in the storage class of reduced redundancy. Okay, I want to store it in the reduced redundancy. But here you can see a warning which is reduced redundancy is not recommended. Why it is not recommended? It is telling that the reduced redundant storage class is not recommended because the standard storage class is more cost effective. Okay, it is talking about the cost effectiveness. But anyway, I'll just store it in this particular storage class, and then I will delete the object to avoid the billing purpose. Okay, so here I am changing the storage class from standard storage class to reduced redundancy. So select the storage class that you need, in this case reduced redundancy, and click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, the storage class of the object should also get changed. Let's verify that. Let me go inside the bucket, and in the bucket for this particular object, in the previous case it was the standard storage class was standard. Okay, the storage class was standard. Now what is the storage class that we have changed it to? You can see reduced redundancy. Okay, this is the storage class that we have changed it to. So like this, you can change the storage classes of an object in two different ways. The first way is while uploading the object, you can change the storage class, and after uploading the object also, you can change the storage class of an object. So this is how you can work with the storage classes concept in the S3 bucket. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to work with S3 static website hosting. So how to host a static website in an S3 bucket. Thank you.